Financial privacy. Two words that strike fear into the hearts of bureaucrats and globalist organizations like the WEF and the OECD. They want you to believe it's a thing of the past. But I'm here to tell you, that's far from the truth. Stick around and I'll show you how to make your assets untouchable. Welcome back to the Liberty Mundo channel, where we help high net worth individuals protect their assets, secure multiple citizenships, and legally minimize taxes. Visit libertymundo.com and get in touch for personalized strategies. Governments are pushing for what they call transparency. What they really mean is complete control over your wealth. Organizations like the OECD enforce anti-privacy measures like CRS and FATCA. Even some offshore advisors have bought into the narrative, claiming onshore is the new offshore. But that's nonsense. With the right strategy, financial privacy isn't just a dream, it's a reality. Globalist organizations like the WEF and the OECD openly call for the abolition of financial privacy. It's no secret that governments worldwide agree with this viewpoint. But you don't have to play their game. Every time governments introduce new regulations, new loopholes appear. It's possible to set up companies in jurisdictions that are completely immune to CRS and FATCA. At Liberty Mundo, we help clients design such structures legally and effectively. We specialize in building bespoke offshore solutions. Our services ensure that your assets remain yours, secure and private. If you're ready to protect what's rightfully yours, click the link in the description to book a consultation. Some people ask, why would anyone need financial privacy? If you've ever faced lawsuits, tax audits, or government overreach, you'll know why. Privacy isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. And let's not forget, overt displays of wealth can attract the wrong kind of attention from criminals and governments alike. Protecting your wealth is your duty, not just for yourself, but for future generations. A properly structured offshore vehicle can shield your assets from lawsuits, divorces, and even outright confiscation. And yes, it's still possible to achieve the same level of privacy as the old Swiss bank accounts. It just requires more creativity and expertise. Imagine a structure where you control your wealth without being the legal owner. That can be achieved using offshore trusts and foundations. You can make it impossible for your bank to report your accounts under CRS or FATCA. This isn't a fantasy. It's achievable with the right tools and guidance. Governments always need more money. When they've exhausted their borrowing limits, guess where they'll turn? To people like you, the hardworking entrepreneurs and families that have accumulated wealth. The super rich are already protected, and the poor have nothing to confiscate. Don't wait until it's too late. Offshore privacy is still possible, but the game has changed. It's more complex, but the rewards are worth it. Complete protection for your hard-earned wealth. Take action today. Set up an offshore company instantly with ease at taxfreecompanies.com and start the process of protecting your wealth. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.